That's good. Can you do this, like where you do circles? Does that help? Does it hurt? Okay, well, we like when it doesn't hurt. Although sometimes a little bit of hurt is good. What's Arnold Schwarzenegger saying? Pain is just weakness leaving the body. Let's do these guys where we're going back. Yeah, okay, so the L back and then forward so that you're yeah, so you meet 2, 3, and then back 2, 3, and front 2, 3, back 2, 3, 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 and we'll do 5 more sets. 2, 3, back 2, 3, and 4 more. 2, 3, back 2, 3, and 3 more. 2, 3, and back 2, 3, and 2 more. 2, 3, and back 2, 3, and last time front, and then last time back. So we'll do palm back 2, 3, flip your wrist, then back 2, 3 at the waist, then up here, shoulder 2, 3, and then stretch and bend to the right and back up, come down, palm back and back 2, 3, flip your palm and back 2, 3, and shoulder 2, 3, and then come up, grab your right arm and stretch to the left and back up and palm back and back 2, 3, and waist 2, 3, shoulder 2, 3, above your head, and grab your left wrist, stretch and lean to the right and back up and palms back, and 1, 2, 3, and waist, flipping the palm, 1, 2, 3, and shoulders, 1, 2, 3, and up, grab your right wrist, stretch to the left and back up and palm back, and 1, 2, 3, and waist 2, 3, shoulder 2, 3, grab your right wrist, stretch to the right, back up and down, and 1, 2, 3, waist and shoulder and up, grab your right wrist and stretch to the left, back up, and 2 more sets on each side, come all the way down and back 2, 3, waist 2, 3, shoulder 2, 3, grab your left wrist, stretch to the right, back up, palm back, 1, 2, 3, flip and waist 2, 3, up and shoulder 2, 3, grab your right wrist, stretch left and back up and all the way back. Last time, 1, 2, 3, and waist 1, 2, 3, and shoulder 1, 2, 3, grab your left wrist, stretch to the right, and now the final one to the left. We're going to come down and back 2, 3, waist up to the shoulders, grab your right wrist, stretch and over to the left, and then back up. Poi Pilates. We'll just do 15 forward and 15 back. We can face this way. Okay, so earlobes over shoulders, over hips, over heels, knees soft, pelvis tucked, core tight, lift, shoulders down, and your chin should be up, right arm up, and we'll go forward for 15. And 1 and 2, remember to use your hips, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and reverse, going backwards. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15, and down.